A Formula E race was stopped on Saturday afternoon following a crash. The incident happened at the Rome Grand Prix. British driver Samba lost control of his Jaguar at 150 miles per hour and spun onto a congested track. Several drivers then tried to avoid a serious collision, causing carnage in the Italian capital. But fellow drivers came out of a blind corner to find the Jaguar lying across the center of the track. A number of cars flew into the wall while trying to avoid the vehicle before the race was temporarily stopped for 45 minutes while the track was cleared. The scariest moment came when one car went flying into Burt's Jaguar. It's believed no drivers were hurt in the crash, although Burt was taken for further medical tests. Fans on social media have described the incident as the worst Formula E crash of all time. Thanks for watching. For further, like and subscribe.